Hi, Mommy. Are you singing to me today? Are you singing to me? Are you having a happy day? Are you feeling good today, Mama? Look how beautiful you are. Look how beautiful you are today. And you have such a beautiful big smile. Hi. I love you. Can I give you a kiss? I'm going to give you a kiss. You're my favorite special little mom. I love you so much. I do. You look so beautiful today. Do you know that our little Brittany has a baby in her tummy? She does. She has a baby in her tummy. She's going to be a surrogate. And she's having a baby for somebody who can't have one by themselves. Isn't that awesome? It's confusing, isn't it? You like that idea? Yeah. Oh, I'm so happy to see you sitting up in a chair. Look who's sitting up in a chair. Okay, I'm gonna end the video so I can go kiss this little lady. Mama, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye to everybody. Goodbye.